Ever found yourself dreaming of that perfect kitchen remodel? Or maybe you're looking at those credit card statements wishing for a simpler, lower interest way to pay them down. What about those truly big life goals? Sending a child to college, finally starting that business, or maybe even making a significant investment. Think about it: providing capital for a new business venture, funding a child's education, making a significant personal investment, or even achieving that long awaited travel goal. It gives you the flexibility and the financial muscle to pursue opportunities that might otherwise seem out of reach. It's about unlocking the potential that's already there in your most valuable asset. Now, you might be thinking this sounds complicated, but it doesn't have to be. Getting started is actually quite straightforward. If you are ready to explore how your home equity can work for you, whether it's for that dream remodel, smart debt consolidation, or those inspiring big life changes, then you are in exactly the right place. Don't let your home's potential just sit there. It is time to put it to work. We're here to help guide you through the process, answer all your questions, and show you just how easy it can be to turn your home equity into the cash you need to move forward. So let's start that conversation today. Well, what if I told you that you might be sitting on a powerful financial resource right now? A valuable asset that could help turn those dreams into reality. I am talking about your home equity. That is right. The equity you've diligently built up in your home isn't just a number on a statement. It is a financial tool that you can actually convert into cash. And the best part, you get to decide exactly how you use it. Are you ready to finally tackle that major home renovation? Imagine a brand new kitchen, a luxurious bathroom, or even adding that extra room you've always needed. Your home equity can provide the funds to make those upgrades not just possible, but a reality. Or perhaps you are tired of juggling multiple payments and high interest rates. Using your home equity for debt consolidation can be an absolute game changer. It allows you to combine various debts into a single, often lower interest payment, simplifying your finances and potentially saving you a significant amount of money over time. But it is not just about home improvements or managing existing debt. Home equity can also fuel those truly big life moves.